Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can use push to talk on Discord. So first of all, you will need to go into your profile settings, onwards enter the voice category over here, then open the input mode option and choose the push to talk mode. And now once you will join any voice channel, you will be in the push to talk voice mode. As you can see, right now I'm not talking, but the moment I tap at the push to talk button, my voice actually getting translated into this voice channel. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.